Start by locating your unique BCC email address. This is in your settings. Go to the cog in the top right corner, scroll to company information, and your BCC email is in the greyed out box here. To email someone directly from your Just Recruit email account, find the candidate you wish to email. Once in their profile, click the email link next to their email address. This will bring up an email window in the program you usually use with the to field populated. Now within that email, add your Just Recruit BCC email account into the BCC area. When you send an email with your BCC information included, Just Recruit will search your database for a record match, and if found, will log the email against that person's records. If the recipient's email address does not match one of those existing in your database, then the email will not be recorded, so make sure you add them before using this piece of functionality. To see the email sent, go to the person's profile and click on Mailbox on the left-hand side. This will show you a chronological list of all emails sent to this candidate. Please note, you will only be able to see the emails that have been BCC'd to your Just Recruit email. If this information is missing when the email is sent, it will not be logged in your account. For more information on how to automatically BCC your Just Recruit email every time you send an email, please see our user guides.